Hello, this is Richard Wilson. I'm coming to you from Mayfair today, just outside of downtown London. I want to talk about architecting your conversations with family offices. I find this is highly relevant, whether you're a single family office, a multifamily office that might be trying to attract ultra-wealthy clients, or someone who's on the sell side raising capital as an investment banker, private equity guy, maybe a multifamily independent sponsor or commercial real estate investment professional of some type. And what I found is that if you really research who you're meeting with, or ask them for all their information beforehand, ask a couple of key questions beforehand you're curious on after getting their business card or seeing their website, and then just be really thoughtful on what are the 3 ways that you can be relevant to them, that you can be genuinely helpful to them, whether or not it has to do with your core service operating business or core service that you're offering the marketplace. Being really intentional in architecting what that conversation will go like, so that when you go to the meeting, you're not wasting your own time, that you're really making an impact, that you're adding value first, that you're getting a lot of leverage out of your own time that you're investing in meeting with that person. It really goes a long ways. I find that it builds respect, it builds word of mouth marketing for you, and you just get a higher impact for every minute you spend with that person. You might be able to have a meeting that only lasts 10 minutes instead of 30, and maybe you only spent 10 minutes preparing for it, but it's more meaningful and takes half the time. There's really no downside to doing this. So I always think about it as, scripting my day, being intentional what I spend time on, but also architecting the conversation that's going to happen in person, so that 80% of the energy is spent on discussing potential solutions, instead of 80% of the energy being focused on learning the very basic ABCs of what the other person is doing and what they care about. And then you only have 20% left to brainstorm on your feet, and hopefully you're smart enough to think about a great way to work together or a great way to be providing a solution for each other. This kind of flips the model and allows you to think about it and meditate it beforehand, because you can appear very intelligent and effective when you've prepared well and you've thought about it while walking to your meeting or commuting to the meeting. But if you have to think on your feet, then you're just wasting time learning things you could have learned on their website or by asking a few questions via email beforehand. So this is Richard Wilson coming to you from the Family Office Club. Hope to see you at one of our events coming up. To check the schedule, please visit familyoffices.com. Take care.